Hello, welcome to PDF.co. When you need to get specific text such as invoice number in tens, hundreds, or thousands of documents, the document parser can go over these files and extract these texts for you. You can download or export the result in CSV, XML, JSON, or reuse the text to fill out another document. The document parser works with documents such as purchase order, airline ticket, lab report, and insurance code request, to name a few. Now let's head over to the PDF.co online template editor where we can tell the document parser what to do. In the template editor, you can create a template for a PDF or an image file, edit an existing template, and save the template. You can select any of these document parser objects and add template options. Let's go ahead and open the sample Google invoice. It's a one-page document with company and client information, invoice details, and a table item. To begin, let's call this template Demo. The template uses the English language by default. If you're working with documents in other languages such as French, click on Template Options and select FRFR France in Culture. This will tell the engine to read the currency in French format. To get the client's name, click on the Add Object button and select Add Field from Rectangle selection. This object is useful to extract text in fixed location. You can drag and drop the object anywhere in the document. It can also be resized to fit the text. To see the result, you can either do a test object or run the whole template. Click on Run Template to see what the output looks like. You can rename objects in the object properties to easily identify them. To get text with no fixed location, we'll use the add field based on text search. To demonstrate, let's get the invoice number. The field based on text search object finds the exact text and pattern that you enter in the expression field. To find the invoice number, type the exact words invoice number, colon, click on the Insert Macro button, and select the Spaces macro for undefined number of spaces. The invoice number is composed of digits, and I only want to display these numbers in the result. To do that, add an open parenthesis, question mark, open angle bracket, value, close angle bracket, and because they're all digits, select the digits macro and close the parenthesis. When you use a macro, always check the regex checkbox so the engine will know to look out for macros and special characters. Regex stands for regular expression. Our macros are made up of regular expressions. We made the macros to make it easier for you to put together a search pattern. The expression field can take both macros and regular expressions. Click on Run Template to see the result. The Add Static field allows you to add text that's not in the document. You can add company name or any other text that you want to include in the result. Now let's move on to the table objects. Use the Add Table with Rectangle selection to get table items with fixed location. And use the Add Table field based on text search for non-fixed table and multi-page table. To demonstrate, let's use this two-page document with one table that continues on to the next page. Grab the contents of the Properties field and paste it in a text editor. First, let's find the starting point in a document. Because I only want to display the table items, I'll tell the engine to start parsing everything that follows quantity and extended price. Next, let's find the ending point. I'll tell the engine to stop parsing once it finds the page footer or the total. This table has a very simple layout and content, so I'll remove the row. There are 5 columns in the table, so let's add 2 more columns and rename each column and assign the correct data type to easily identify them. And because this is a multi-page table, let's set it to true after columns. Let's copy all of this and put it back in the Properties field. Click on Run Template to see the result. All of your saved templates are kept in a document parser page. You can use the ID to call the template in automation software such as Zapier and Integromat, or download the JSON to use in your coded programs. We have loads of sample documents with ready-made templates that you can check out in the sample templates. You can look for documents with the same layout as yours and edit the template to get your desired result. For additional information on this and other features, simply click on Support and Help and check out our API docs, sample codes, join our Facebook group and interact with other members, or contact our customer support team. We look forward to hearing from you.